Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create frame shapes from videos in CapCut PC. So actually I'll use this one because it looks cool, but it does move. So never mind, I'll use this one. Go to video, go to mask, and select a shape you want. I'll just select the heart shape. You can feather it out if you'd like to, but you can like not if you don't want to. I'll just right click and then select create compound clip. Here it is. Alt G and then press the heart shape again, but you're going to select the reverse and you're just going to create this like heart frame shape, and then you can like put another video underneath that as well. Trying to find one that goes with it. I'll do this one. Sorry, I'm like still trying to find one. Let's do like one from life here. And then you're just going to select the mask again and do the same thing. You can make the video a little bit smaller and mask it a little bit bigger. Like that. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.